guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a backless bra. So I'm taking one of my old bras that has a rip in the strap and I'm cutting it up and sewing it a little, just a tiny bit of sewing. And we're making this backless bra, which I'm wearing right now. Can't even tell that I have a bra on. It's so good. So if you want to see how I make this, tune in, and I'm going to change the camera angle. So here I'm cutting off the part of the strap that goes around your body and you clasp in the back. And mine was ripped anyway, so this was a perfect bra to try it on. Now you can test the strap around your shoulder and see exactly where you want to sew the end of the shoulder strap into the bra. This is a great alternative to those bras that stick onto your skin too. For some reason, those never work for me. I did end up cutting it out and sewing it to the corner of the bra like you see here. Those good sewing skills. And yeah, that's it. It ended up working so good too. Alright, so here we have the dress that I'm wearing. The back. So beautiful. I never could wear it because I didn't have a backless bra. But now, so you see here? It just goes around your arm. So easy. No back. Whew. All of my problems are solved. Ooh, I'm so excited to wear this dress.